Proverbs 4:23. Proverbs 4:23 says to guard our heart with all diligence, for out of it springs the wellspring of life. And when I add the topic mental health, sex, and our thought life, it really does make sense to guard our hearts. So the heart in the Hebrew language of the book of Proverbs talks about the heart being the intellect, the emotions, and the will. So imagine that after we have sex, we have been opened up. We've opened up our heart, whether we want to admit to it or not. We've opened up our will, we've opened up our emotions, and we've opened up our thought life. So the Bible says that we're supposed to guard our will, our emotions, and our thought life. And that could be tricky to do if you have multiple partners, or maybe one partner isn't well and one partner is well. Different reasons why it's important to guard our heart when we talk about sex, because a lot of us still think that sex is a great thing to do and to haphazardly participate in it whenever we want to. Some of us don't participate in sex haphazardly. However, both communities of people still open up their heart in the process of having sex. Now, if you have a mental health diagnosis, your thought life could be impacted by both the sex and the mental health challenge. So it is important for us to guard our heart. The Bible says that guard means to somebody to stand at a door, stand at a post, as if they're watching for danger to come, like a prison guard. But I found it interesting that one of the words for guard meant deposit. And if I guard my heart, or if you guard your heart, then we are careful about what we deposit into our heart when we're open. This is critically important. It's really important to guard your heart when you're open after sex or on the way to sex, because it will be easy for negative thoughts to get in and start daydreaming about what this person could be in your life, or daydreaming about what's going to happen a year from now or a month from now. Women have a tendency to live in fantasy, but men do too. And so I just want to encourage you to be careful with what you say to yourself after you participate in the activity of sex, because if we're pursuing restoration, which is what Truly Restored is about, pursuing restoration with ourselves, then we want to be mindful of not just who we're having sex with, but what we're saying to ourselves after the act takes place. God bless you. Please leave a comment, because this is a rich topic. I would love to hear what you have to say. God bless you. Bye-bye.